Excuse me, Judge. May I be put in a breakout room with Ms. Whitney?
In just a moment, let me get this going.
Yes, Judge.
Or figure out it's not going to happen. There it goes. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to make Ms. Poppy the host again, if you'd make me the co-host. So Ms. Poppy will be in charge of breakout rooms. Okay, just to let the attorneys know before everyone takes off to confer, Judge Ellison was able to impanel a grand jury in Atascosa County on Friday, I believe it was, or earlier this week, I guess it must have been, because it was this year. They sent out, I think, 175 invitations. They had the system we've gone to where people can sign up over the internet to make their excuses and do their COVID check and everything. And we try to impanel 12-person grand jury and 4 alternates. And out of 175, we've got a 12-person grand jury and 3 alternates. So that does not bode well for trying to get a jury impaneled anytime in the near future. But again, something has to happen with these cases sooner or later. So I just ask the state and the defense to keep that in mind. All right. So I'll let y'all confer. If there's anything I need to make a decision on, let me know. I'm going to go and start working on my judge's queue and things like that. I will leave the speakers running so I can hear.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
Your Honor, I had,
Yes, ma'am.
This is Kathy Starling from Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid. Are we
Yes.
needed this morning for any appointments?
Doesn't appear so, no. No one has appeared who did not have counsel.
Okay, may I be excused?
Yes.
Okay, and if Ms. Poppy needs anything, I'll email her my cell phone.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I just had a couple of clarifications on Mr. Doug Coronado. Is he free to be excused? I've posted a 3/10 reset date for him.
Yes.
And Mr. Gilbert Silva as well, Your Honor, he did arrive. And I posted a 3/10 reset date for him. Is he excused?
All right, hold on.
Mr. Silva was the second person on the docket, and I think there was some confusion as to whether he was here or not.
Yes, I have him down as present. He was.
Okay.
He didn't answer it first. Yes, that's fine.
All right, thank you. And I believe you missed one person on the docket.
Okay.
2009-0240W, Sean Abney. I don't know if you called that case or not, but he's here.
Yeah, I'll present, Your Honor.
How do you spell Abney?
Abney.
Abney.
Yes, sir. I've got that. I'm just trying to.
All right, my bad.
Judge,
Okay.
he's at the bottom of page 6.
All right, I found him. I was just doing a search by name. Okay. I will mark him present. And is he going to remain on 310?
Yes, Your Honor, he's going to remain on 310 as well.
All right. Thank you.
Judge
you, Your
Daniel
Honor.
Ramirez is logged on. I'd like to keep him on the trial track for 310. He had a little bit of problems with the Zoom, but he's on right now. He's on the top of page 6.
Okay. I'll mark him down. 310.
Thank you.
Motions filed on 2020 CR 533.
Okay. Anybody else? Your case was not called and you're supposed to be here? Okay, I'll release people to confer. If I need to rule on something, let me know. If you're going to a date that you received from the clerk's office, or I mean, from the coordinator's office or 310, and there's no dispute about it, just send that to me in chat.
I'm gonna start opening up the breakout rooms. I have Lorena. I have 3 attorneys that want to speak with you. I believe Adrian spoke up first, then Rolando, then Mr. Baird.
And then Philip.
Hi. If I could add my
Vanessa.
name to that list as well, Dante Dominguez for Dimitri Ortiz.
Okay,
On my case, Jennifer, me and Ashley Eldridge, or my client, are both going to talk to Miss Whitney, okay?
yes, okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Mr. Rodriguez, this is Paula with the district clerk's office. Mr. Coronado is here in our building. Is he okay to go? Was a warrant
Yes.
recalled?
The judge has excused him and the warrant was recalled
Okay,
by an agreement with the state.
okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. And he's coming back 3:10.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Jennifer, this is Alfonso. I'm going to log off and jump on another court Zoom while I wait for Mr. Garcia. But I'll check in about 15 or 20 minutes.
Did I hear that the interpreter is not needed today?
No, I mean, we're going to remain on the 310 trial setting. But we're still
And
waiting
then
for
Mr.
Mr.
Vargas,
Garcia
did you
to-
need the interpreter? I don't believe you did.
Your Honor, this is Grace Rocha. Am I free to go? Oh, no, that's good.
Ms. Roach, I believe that we are free to leave, but let's wait for Judge to confirm.
We gotta wait?
Yes, ma'am. Just one moment. Let Judge.
Okay. I just
Ms.
want to make sure I
Koala,
was heard.
I do see where you posted to chat the 3:10 date that you represented to Judge Wilson in court, so she can leave.
Thank you, Ms. Poppy. Ms. Rocha, you are free to leave. Mr. Saunders, you're free to leave.
Okay,
Ms.
thank you.
Pinshorn, you're free to leave. And Mr. Trainer, you're free to leave. Resets are 3:10. Our office will be in touch.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's see if it responds. Yeah, okay, good. Thank you. Okay. So we get out of the way. We got it in there when you sit down.
It should be a direct message, right? Okay, just anybody else. I want to get in back to work. You understand where your case is? You understand what I'm trying to get? Yes. Okay. What if I need her under those other appointments, if you can get copies of them? Email to my mom. Okay, right now. She was decent.
Mr. Rosenberg, we can hear you.
I'm sorry to jump in. Is there a breakout room that I'm not aware of?
We're in a queue, Dante. I think a few people are waiting for it for Lorena.
Yes, right now I have, who are you needing to speak with, sir?
Just any prosecutor.
Okay, yes, sir, I have a list here. You'll be the fifth one on.
Okay, sorry, didn't mean to impose.
No, you're fine, sir.
Thanks.
Good morning, Jennifer. Sergio Cano, interpreter. Do you need me to stay?
I don't believe so, sir. I was just checking everything and I do have resets. Let me make sure I have resets on both of those. I'm right to the one, Mr. Cabanas. Yes, so he did reset to 310. I wanted to see it in writing there.
Yes, he did put it in writing. And,
Yep, I have it. And then, Mr. Vargas also has reset to 310, sir. Is there anyone else on the line that needs an interpreter today? Okay, Mr. Cano, thank you for your time.
Jennifer, would you like me to put my phone in the chat in case you need me? I'm going to be here all morning anyway. I'm doing a translation, so.
That's fine. Just in case something comes up, that would be a good safeguard, sir.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
I stepped away for a moment. Was anyone looking for me? No?
Good morning, Your Honor. I just jumped on a second ago or a couple minutes ago. I have Joshua Esquivel and Justin Daniels on the docket this morning.
Right.
Joshua Esquivel is present.
We need to let them know that you're here. We need to let them know that you're here.
Okay. All right. Is it that says McQueen? All right, go ahead, Ms. Tapia.
Mr. Esquivel is here, and we would just be, I don't know what the next reset dates are.
March the 10th, I believe.
Okay.
Don't go louder.
Okay. We would just be requesting the March the 10th date.
Okay, and is the person whose screen says McQueen, is that Mr. Esquivel?
No, it actually says Joshua Esquivel.
Okay, but he's here. All right. Okay, who's the name of the defendant whose screen says McQueen or McQueen?
Me, Queen, it's Garcia. Can you hear us?
Yes, Garcia. Okay. All right, and if you will just, all right. And Mr. Cabanas was here earlier. Is he still on, Alfonso Cabanas?
I just spoke to him. He said that he was.
Okay.
Judge, he said he would be going back and forth between another setting and this one.
Okay, well, I'll mark you present. He'll be back on. All right, Ms. Tapia, if you'll just send me the dates on that in chat.
Okay.
with
And
the,
then,
go
I'm
ahead.
sorry.
Just send me a chat message with the date. Pardon me, with the cause number, defendant, and date, and after that, you're excused if that's all you have.
I have Justin Daniels. He's in custody also, and he's in Wilson
Yes.
County. And I'll put the same thing for him as well, Your Honor.
Sounds good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I think someone accidentally is screen sharing.
Excuse me, Miss Poppy. I ended up resetting Ms. Gibbons to the 310 date. I need to log off. I have a sentencing right now in 10 minutes in Kendall County. I'll just email Lorena so her and I can confer on this case, if that's okay.
Okay, you said Miss Gibbons?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's two Miss Gibbonses today.
Yeah, it's the same one. And she's still on the call, on the Zoom.
But there's also a Brandy Gibbons.
Oh, that's
That's
not
not
mine.
yours, right?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure when you said Miss
Yeah.
Gibbons. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Poppy.
Miss Jennifer,
Yes, sir.
hey, what date did they give Tristan Humphries?
That's the first one on the docket, January 25th.
The 25th.
Yes.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Jennifer, I'm back. Who else wanted to talk with me?
I don't know who's next on the list.
Lorena, I'll put you on Mr. Baird next.
Okay.
But it does appear that Ms. Eldridge is still in the breakout room. Adrian, I don't know if you need her to come out of the breakout room or not.
No, Adrian has told us she could dismiss completely out of the Zoom meeting.
Okay. Mr. Baird, are you with us? I do see him on, but I think he had other hearings as well. So I'll put you, Philip, I see you already.
Yes.
Lorraine, I'll put you in with Philip.
Be really quick.
Okay. Breakout room 2.
And Jennifer, I accidentally logged back off. That's why I logged on. But I'm posting all my resets in chat, and then I'm going to go ahead and go if I don't know if Judge is still on, but I need to ask to be excused.
Yes, he is still on. As long as you have all your dates posted to chat and no other business, then I believe he would excuse you. But if you want to wait for him to come back, that's fine as well.
Okay, I'll wait for a bit. Thank you.
Okay, are people waiting on me for something?
I just need to ask to be excused, Judge. I reset all my cases to 310 and I put them in chat.
Okay, as long as you've submitted that and you're right.
Yes, sir. I double checked.
You don't have to ask. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Okay, anything else? No? Okay, all right. I'm going to go and start trying to work on my judge's queue and see what that looks like.
And I believe Dante Dominguez needed a breakout room too.
Lorena, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. Mr. Dominguez, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on breakout room 3.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Phil.
And Miss Poppy, I was going to see, would it be possible for me to talk to my client, John Gilbert Brown? I spoke with the state and I just wanted to construe to him what we talked about. Did he get off?
I still see him.
There he is.
Mr.
Okay.
Brown, can you hear us?
Sorry.
He's muted. Here. Would that be possible, or should I call him on my own time?
No, I can put you on a breakout room.
Okay.
Mr. Brown, you're gonna receive, on your screen an invitation to breakout room 4. And this is where you and your attorney can have a private conversation.
Okay, Jennifer. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it, Miss Poppy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss Poppy. Hit the wrong button.
Are there any announcements for the court, or Lorena, are you ready to go in with Mr. Rodriguez?
We do have an announcement. We're going to do a plea, Jennifer, on 224.
And what case is that again, Mr. Dante?
Dimitri Ortiz, he's on the second, he's on the very first page, second from the bottom.
Okay.
And I'm putting that in the chat box right now as well.
And the date again, Lorena, was
224. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
And Ms. Poppy, my client has that date. With that info, may we be excused?
Yes, sir. I see that you've posted everything for the 24th. Lorena, on his plea, where does he need to report?
Probation, and I've spoken to Mr. Dominguez about that.
Okay. Yes, sir. That's all we needed.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Baird, are you available? I think you were tied up earlier.
Yes, I was just about to inquire. I apologize if you were looking for me before, but I'm free and clear the rest of the day. So I'm on y'all's
Yeah, I
schedule.
sort of leapfrogged over you once, but we'll put you in Lorena to breakout room if she's available. You good?
Yes, I'm available.
Thanks.
Okay.
And Ms. Poppy, I just wanted to verify you got for John Gilbert Brown, 310 was the date.
Let me look real quick.
Okay.
What was his cause number, Philip? I'm sorry.
EW. That's a very good question.
I found it. I found it. It's 2005-84 for
Okay.
310.
Question. That's what I have too. But whenever I see it on the docket, it's like a CRW 20 something something.
Yes, sir. We have the older set of number schemes, and the district clerk uses the newer set of number schemes.
Okay.
So when you e-file anything, it needs to be that CRW and then the numbers.
205084. Okay.
Yeah, but our dockets are still the other way, or they will not sort correctly.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's what I always have. So I've got him out of here. 310 is the next set date for him, and I've spoken with Miss Whitney. I'm good to go. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great one.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Ms. Poppy, could you give Ms. Walters and I a breakout room?
Yes, sir, I'll get that done.
Thank you.
Wilson County Jail, can y'all hear me?
Yes.
Good morning. I was wondering, do y'all have Mr. Chaput, C-H-A-P-U-T, do y'all have him in custody?
Yes, we do.
Okay, just wanted to make sure. We believe his attorney is ill right now. I just wanted to make sure he was in custody.
That's correct. Yes, ma'am.
Miss Jennifer, I'm back.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if anybody else wants to visit with me.
Yes, I believe Mr. Rodriguez needs to visit with you. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And Lorena, also, I just confirmed with the jail that Mr. Chaput at the bottom of page 5 is in custody.
Okay. And Jennifer, I can tell you that Judge Reed on Mondays reset his cases to 225. I don't know if you want to put Mr. Chaput on that to keep to set him for 310. I mean,
okay, so his other cases are 225?
We're 225.
Yes, okay, definitely I will do that. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Rodriguez right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Miss Jennifer. Lorena, are we resetting Mr. Chaput for 225?
Yes, sir, that's what the prosecutor, Ms. Whitney, just mentioned, that his other cases were set on that date.
Thank you.
Thank you. Officer, I'm looking into Mr. Chaput's dates. I think she may have meant 224. But let me look into that right now in all his other cases. Thank you. Officer, when Miss Whitney gets back, we'll confirm. I'm only showing that defendant has one case, so maybe she meant the attorney since he's ill today. But we'll confirm everything when she gets back.
Thank you.
All right, and I understand we're supposed to have a plea later this morning. Is that correct?
We did set a plea for 224, so I don't know if that's what you
Oh,
heard.
okay. That may have been it. So where do we stand? Are people still?
Yes, sir. Miss Whitney is still in a room right now with Mr. Rodriguez, and I believe that's the last breakout room we're in need of.
All right, that's fine. I'm still plugging away here.
I believe everyone's coming back, sir. Were there any other breakout rooms needed this morning? Lorena, before you left a few minutes ago on Mr. Chaput,
Yes, ma'am.
he is the last one on page 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Is 224 the date? I think 225 is a Friday.
Okay, well then it probably is 224.
And then I only found one case for that defendant was Mr. Shaughnessy, where his case is reset.
All of Mr. Shaughnessy's cases were reset
Okay.
to 24 from Monday, yeah, because.
Okay.
So, yes, I'm sorry.
No, I got you.
Deputy at Wilson County Jail. I am sending over reset orders for all of the defendants that were in custody. So if someone could get them to sign those reset orders, and then they can either email them back to me or fax them back.
Yes, ma'am. I'll make sure it's completed.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Shaughnessy, did you need anything in terms of a breakout room or?
Jennifer, I don't think Mr. Shaughnessy was here today because he's sick.
I'm sorry, Mr. King Dawes. I apologize. I was looking at the name and I said something different.
No, the reason why I'm still on, I'm trying to track down Brandy Gibbons.
Okay, gotcha.
So I'm hoping the judge will give him some time for him to show up.
Mr. Baird, were you still trying to track down Mr. Trevino?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct. I was just, holding out a little bit of hope. He might still be trying to make it in.
Also, actually, look, Lorraine, I want to talk to you. I had filed a motion to reduce bond on Mr. Moreno. I think I already know the answer to my question, but I at least want to give it a shot. So I guess we can have a breakout room real quick.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm texting Judge Wilson for the reset date for status on, it was March 10th, correct?
Yes, sir. You just need to post that to chat with the cause number, the client's name, and the date.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna do that. I'm doing that right now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Jennifer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on Mr. Moreno, I had already put in the date for 3/10 for trial, but I had filed a motion to reduce bond because right now it's really high because he was a fugitive or whatever. So I want to set just for that motion. I want to a shorter date for the motion.
Would February the 3rd work for you, or you need something sooner?
No, no. If that's the soonest, that's fine. February 3rd works best for me.
Okay. I'll add that date also.
Okay. Do I
If you
need
could
to
post it to chat as well? Yes, sir.
Okay, but specify a motion or something?
Yes, motion to reduce bond. And that's how
Great.
I'm going to enter it in the system.
Great. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Mrs. Poppy, I pasted it in the chat for everyone and then to Judge Wilson. So am I free to go now? Okay.
I do see that, sir. Yes, sir, you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Jennifer, I missed because I've been out. Did Miss Tapia ever make an appearance?
She did, yes, ma'am. She reset hers to 310. I believe we're to the point of the no-shows.
Okay.
Judge Wilson, I believe we're to the point
Okay.
where maybe we could run through the docket. It's just the ones that didn't appear.
Okay. Humphus 125.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And 310 on Silva.
Yes.
All right, let me make a note here. All right. Same thing for Moreno.
Yes, sir. But on that case, there's also going to be a motion to reduce bond on 2-3.
Okay. Did Hobson ever appear?
No, Your Honor, I don't believe he did.
All right. So Nisai Ortiz.
He's going to plea on 224.
Trevino, do you ever appear?
I do not believe he did, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just an update on Trevino. I'm waiting to hear back from his bail bondsman. Short of that, I've tried every number, including a couple family members that I have for him. Talked to him last week, but as of now, he's no show.
Okay, I'll mark him a Nisai. Dunson 310.
Yes.
Schindler Nisai.
Yes, sir.
I have nothing on Brown or Cruz.
I have on Brown and Cruz both reset to 310.
Yes, ma'am.
Same for Daniels.
Yes, sir.
How about Davis?
Reset to 310.
Same for Eldridge and Esquivel.
Mm-hmm.
All right, did Brandy Gibbons appear?
He has not, Your Honor.
All right, Nisai. Hobson,
Did not appear, Your Honor.
Lopez 310.
Yes, sir.
Moreno, what happened?
Reset to 310, Your Honor.
And I have that for 4. How about Pavlik or Pavlik?
Same.
310.
Is it 310, Jennifer? I don't have that
Yes,
one.
ma'am. 310.
And then I have that for the rest of the page.
Yes, sir.
And then all the way down to Misty Dawn Diaz. And on page 5.
Yes, sir.
I have 310, yeah.
Okay, so that's 310 for all the way down to, is that Chaput or Chapu?
I think it's Chaput, Your Honor,
All right.
and that is
And we-
224.
Okay, 224 for what?
Pretrial, Your Honor.
On Chaput.
Okay. It looks French, and lots of times you don't pronounce that last letter. If it was AUT, I think would be Chapeau. I don't know. Dillard, Nisai, did he ever appear?
I don't believe he appeared, Your Honor.
Ramirez and Diaz. 310. How about Laprade? Or Laprado? Is Laprade?
310 as well.
Okay. All right. Same for the rest of the page. And same for Elias Garcia.
Have the entire page, sir, page 7, yes,
Okay.
310.
Did
No,
Mr.
you have one?
Did Mr. Garcia show up?
Yes.
Because I still have it as an FTA.
And page 8, Worley, what happened?
I have 310 for the entire page as well.
That's what I have as well.
And then Doug Coronado, 310 or what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, and we recalled his warrant.
Okay. All right. I have not signed that so far. Is that in my queue or?
I believe Mr. Rodriguez e-filed it this morning, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, may I give you another update on my NISI client, Fidel Trevino?
Yes.
I just received a voicemail a moment ago. Haven't had a chance to look at it. Reading the transcription, he just called saying that his phone was not working, but he did make contact with me. I think he's trying to log in as we speak. I responded with a text message right away. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to log in the next few minutes, but would you give him a deadline, or is there any other instruction I should give to him if he is in fact trying to make an appearance?
11 o'clock a.m. today. It's 8 minutes.
Okay. We should be able to do that. Thank you.
Do we continue to hold for Garcia Martillano?
We have dates on him, don't we?
I'm asking because my phone is gonna die and I'm hotspotting here in the ranch.
Okay. All right. So that's page 7. It's 310, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Yes. That case has been bumped until March the 10th. You're free to go.
Martillano Garcia,
Yes.
March the 10th.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we could go?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
right, Mr. Barrett, is that your client?
Yes, Your Honor. I was just making sure. That is Mr. Trevino. As I mentioned before, he just sent me the message saying that he had a new phone number. I guess we had a breakdown in communication between my office and him for a couple of weeks. But he got the, I guess he remembered or got one of my messages, and he's present with us now.
Okay, so what's with him?
I'm sorry?
What are we doing March the 10th?
Oh, we did confirm. We will request, and I can put in the notes right now, the March 10th reset date. This does appear to be a trial case. I did speak to Ms. Whitney a little bit about it, but we'll continue negotiating during that time.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Once you've sent that to me in the chat message, yes.
Will do. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so we're ready to end the meeting?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, I am not the host, so I can't do that, but everyone's excused, if that's all we have. Lachey, if you would send me, text me your mailing address. I have a Christmas gift, but I never see you, so I can't.
Okay, I'll
Right.
do that.
And all right, I'll see some of y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Do you know when we will be back
Back where?
to court? And for real?
No time
In
soon.
person.
The Texas Supreme Court and the Office of Court Administration have just cranked the screws down on what we can do in person. They not only are we being reminded it's only when it's not possible to conduct court remotely that you can do it. They've mandated a bunch of criteria that we'll send something out today on that everybody has to follow in determining whether you truly cannot participate.
Wow.
Online or remotely. All right, so we'll see y'all soon.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
All right,
Have a
bye.
good day. Happy New Year.